Understanding, Labeling the Plants, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that garden enthusiasts and language learners alike will find intriguing. We're exploring the phrase, labeling the plants. This seemingly simple activity is not just about garden organization. It's a window into the language of gardening, care, and observation. Let's embark on this green journey together and uncover the layers of meaning behind these words. Labeling the plants refers to the process of attaching tags or markers to plants to identify them. This can include the plant's common name, scientific name, planting date, and specific care instructions. It's a practical method used by gardeners to keep track of the diverse species in their gardens. Beyond mere organization, it represents a deeper connection with nature, emphasizing the importance of understanding and caring for the plants in our surroundings. Labeling plants is more than just an act of organization. It's an essential practice in gardening that serves several purposes. Identification helps in easily identifying plants, especially in gardens with a wide variety of species. Educational acts as an educational tool for anyone interested in learning about different plants. Care instructions provides a quick reference for the specific care needs of each plant, ensuring they thrive. Tracking growth allows gardeners to record and track the growth and development of their plants over time. Understanding these aspects can enrich one's gardening experience, turning it into a journey of continual learning and discovery. Effective labeling involves a few key considerations to ensure that the labels are helpful, durable, and do not harm the plants. Here are some tips. Choose the right material. Use weather-resistant labels and permanent markers to withstand outdoor conditions. Be specific. Include as much relevant information as possible, such as the plant's full name, both common and scientific, planting date, and care instructions. Placement. Attach the label close to the plant, ensuring it's visible but not obstructive or harmful to the plant's growth. Keep it simple. While being informative is important, ensure the label is easy to read at a glance. By following these guidelines, gardeners can create a well-organized and informative garden that is both beautiful and educational. Labeling the plants in your garden is a simple yet profound way to deepen your connection with the natural world. It's an activity that blends organization, education, and care, offering insights into the diversity and complexity of plant life. We hope this video has inspired you to look at the plants around you with fresh eyes and perhaps start labeling them in your garden. Happy gardening, and remember, every plant has a story waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.